using an ATM in the Philippines with a Visa card.
Visa debit card.
Visa debit.
How much do you need to take out in total?
At least like $400.
22,000. I think you can only take out. Yeah, you can take out 30.
So it's a $5 charge per transaction. So I already got 10K. So take out another. Should I see if this can take out 15K? Or
okay, you can try. I'm not sure if at least per transaction is 20K or 10K.
What does it say? Smaller amount?
Verified amount before proceeding. Yes, to confirm.
Oh, wait.
The amount you entered exceeds the machine transaction limit.
It's too much.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
just put 10 into this.
Yeah, 10. Okay, so only 10K per transaction.
10K is the most?
Yeah, looks like it.
It's working.
Yeah. So yeah, 10K per transaction.
So I wasn't sure if it was gonna work, but it's working. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is that all we need?
I don't know.
I think that's all we need. Like an extra 10, we should be good now. All right.
Hi, I'm taking over.
Where's the entrance for the shoes?
For the shoes. So Matt was able to take out total of 20,000 pesos, and I think the minimum per transaction is 10,000.
The minimum? I don't know.
Yeah, looks like it. The minimum is 10,000, and the total per day is 30,000. So you can do 10,000 in three times.
So let's go see if Kuya or Ate would exchange my shoes that were too small. I felt bad, so that he was trying so hard to get a sale, so I kind of was like, yeah, I guess they fit. I feel bad, I'll give them a sale. But when I got home and tried them on and tried to walk in them, and no, it's not worth it. They're not comfortable, so we'll see. Like, if they don't have the same style, we'll just get a different style but a bigger size. Yeah.
I like that color better than the other one.
Which one?
This one.
Really?
Yes.
It doesn't say the size.
I have a pizza and jelly. Last
What size
time,
now?
40. Yes. The
It
size
doesn't say
is
the size.
44.
44. So
Yeah.
it's
43.
this one was 40.
43.
US is 9.5, 9.5.
Yeah. Huh?
Pizza.
Oh, put socks on?
Yeah.
Just
This
for
food
trying
stock
out?
is I give you all 150.
No.
No, you can buy me. Why? You always hurt me.
You always hurt me.
You can make happy now.
If I buy these, I'll pay more and make you happy, right?
Yeah, I'm happy.
The final answer, we can't go back here anymore.
Yes. No problem. If you can back, you can try again.
Yeah, I can.
Are you sure, huh? You can.
No, these fit better.
Yeah. I'm not brother. I'm sister.
So I came back to, what's this shop called? Baisa shop. We came back because I love these shorts. I got the black ones. I got the beige, blue, and black now. So I had to come back and get them. Thank you, Ate. Bye-bye. Alright, that's where we're going. Avocadoria, Philippines. You know what you're getting? Let's try it. Disgusting? No?
Tastes like real avocado, no artificial.
Wow. Okay, we're gonna go get me some boba because I am extremely allergic to avocado. I'll die if I have some. So we're gonna get me something else. I ordered a taro milk tea because I can't have this avocado. Just kidding. I'll die. You want me to die? Taro milk tea. Let's try that. Milky. We made it to Cavite. Thank you, Kuya, for the long, comfortable drive. Yeah. All right, and you have our stickers to subscribe to the channel.
I will.
All right, nice, sounds good. Thank you. See ya.
Have a nice day.
You too. We are here in Cavite with my Cavite girl.
Hi.
Slash Tondo girl.
I'm not Tondo girl. Okay, so you're there in my...
So go where? We came here last year, huh?
Yeah. We'll just say hi, then we'll go to our house. And
Okay.
then go back here.
Are all the teachers still in the classroom?
Yeah.
Hello. Hi. Hello.
How are you?
Good. How are you? Good to see you again.
Subscribe to my Yniguez.
Hey, she said it right. Yniguez. Yeah.
Hi.
You'll be in the video next week.
Welcome to the
Main character is here. What happened? Hey.
Like I told my friends, you should watch me Tito Man's vlog. Sabi niya, oh, they're already engaged. And Sealy.
Tocino.
She's a porn.
What was this one called?
Brace beef.
Of course, halo.
What I like about their halo halo is the ice. It's like ice cream.
Really?
Kain.
Kain. Gonna go get a massage now. Bye bye. We just finished our massage. We're feeling sleepy. Just want to go home now and sleep.
And these are our therapists. Thank you.
We got tea.
Do you like the massage?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, okay. So we're gonna head back home. We're just waiting for our cab. So guys, later.